Hello students, in this video we are going to see how to find solution for homogeneous differential equation. Let us understand first meaning of homogeneous equations. I have written one differential equation, dy by dx is equal to 3y square plus x square divided by 2xy. This is a function of x and y. Yes. This is also a function of x and y. Now, can you figure out what is a common between f of xy and phi of xy? See, what is degree here? What is a degree of numerator? 2. What is degree of denominator? Is it 2? Yes. That means homogeneous equations are of the form, the general form is dy by dx is equal to f of xy upon phi of xy are of same degree. If they are of same degree, in such cases, to solve such equations, first step is, what are the steps? First step is put y is equal to ux. That means what will be dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to u into differentiation of x is 1 plus x into du by dx. And then second, use variable separable method. Use variable separable method to get required solution. Okay, आपको ये बात पता चल गई. What are the homogeneous equation? Homogeneous equation means what? The degree of numerator must be equal to degree to that of denominator. Okay, so homogeneous equation, if they are of this form, dy by dx is equal to f of xy upon phi of xy, then to solve such homogeneous equation, what you have to do? You have to put y is equal to u into x. U is any variable again. So dy by dx क्या बन जाएगा? U plus x into du by dx. Okay, so you have to put the value of dy by dx in the given differential equation and then you have to use variable separable method. हम problem solve करेंगे तो आपको ये बात clear हो जाएगी. Okay, let us see one example to get clear idea of this. So solve the given differential equation x square minus y square dx is equal to 2xy d into dy. Okay, first, is it possible to directly use variable separable method? Okay, not possible here. Okay, you can check it. So let us write in the form of general form of homogeneous equation, dy by dx is equal to, what I will get for dy by dx? X square minus y square upon 2xy. Is it right? Okay, now see, this is what function of x and y. This is what function of x and y. What is degree here? 2. What is degree here? 2. That means it is in the so this is what? This is homogeneous equation. Now we know if it is a homogeneous equation, you have to put y is equal to u into x. So dy by dx is equal to u into 1 plus x into du by dx. So let us put this. So given differential equation becomes, okay, क्या बनेगा देखिए, क्या है? dy by dx, so u plus x into du upon dx, which is equal to x square minus y square is what? U square x square upon 2 into x into, okay, what is y? U into x, u into x. Therefore, u plus x into du upon dx, which is equal to x square में कॉमन लेता हूँ 1 माइनस यू स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू 2u, क्या कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा? एक्स स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो गया. ओके, देखिए अभी आगे. ओके, so u plus x into du by dx which is equal to 1 minus u square upon 2u. क्या करते हैं? वेरिएबल सेपरेबल यूज करेंगे. u को राइट हैंड साइड में लेके जाते हैं du upon dx which is equal to 1 minus u square upon 2u minus u. So x into du upon dx which is equal to 1 minus u square minus 2u square upon 2. ओके, तो क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पे? x इंटू डी यू अपॉन डी एक्स विच इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस 3u square upon 2. Now use variable separable. So 2u upon 1 minus 3u square into du which is equal to dx upon x. So now once we have separated the variable, we know how to solve this. How you are going to solve this? You are going to integrate on both sides plus c. So okay, how you are going to solve this LHS? Okay, we know one formula, f dash x upon fx. What is integration of this? F dash x upon fx, log of fx plus c. Okay, see, I have already told you integration derivative basic formula you must know. ओके, अभी कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? ओके, मैं एक सॉल्व करके बताता हूँ. ओके, सो दैट जो बच्चों को अगर इन केस डिफिकल्टी होगी तो वो नहीं रहेगा. ठीक है, देखिए कैसे सॉल्व करना है. क्या है? इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 2u अपॉन 1 माइनस 3u स्क्वायर इंटू डी यू एफ डैश एक्स अपॉन एफ एक्स. इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या बनेगा? माइनस 6u. सो माइनस 1/3 इंटू -3. तो क्या बन जाएगा? अगर इंटीग्रेशन लेते हैं -1/3, ये -6u हो गया एफ डैश एक्स अपॉन एफ एक्स. सो इट विल बी लॉग ऑफ 1 माइनस 3u स्क्वायर. राइट? सो क्या बन जाएगा यहाँ पे? व्हाट इज दिस इंटीग्रेशन? -1/3 log of 1 minus 3u square which is equal to log x plus c. Yes, is it right? Okay, so we can write, क्या लिख सकते हैं हम? 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं. ओके, तो -3 से ये क्या बन जाएगा? log 1 minus 3u square which is equal to -3 into log x minus 3c. Okay, therefore if I bring this to LHS, it becomes plus log of 1 minus 3u square which is equal to -3c. अब ये -3c को you can again consider, see it's a constant only, you can again consider it as c or c dash, right? See what we have got, 3 log x क्या मिला है? प्लस log in bracket 1 minus u square plus log in bracket 1 minus 3u square which is equal to c dash. So this becomes log x cube plus log 1 minus 3u square which is equal to c dash. Right? So log m plus log n, log mn. सो ये क्या बन जाएगा, log x cube in bracket 1 minus 3u square which is equal to c dash. So this is what, to the base e. So x cube in bracket 1 minus 3u square e to the power c dash. Again you can consider as c, new constant. Okay, so x cube. Now what is u? U is what we have assumed? We have assumed y is equal to u into x. So u क्या मिलेगा, y by x. So let us put here 1 minus 3 y square upon x square which is equal to constant. So x cube in bracket x square minus 3y square upon x square which is equal to c. So क्या मिल जाएगा, x into x square minus 3y square which is equal to c. This is our required solution. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so this might be a lengthy one, but this is a very good example to understand the basics. Okay, so that's why I have taken this. In university exam definitely you will get such type of problem, but it is difficult to get such type of problem in competitive exam, such lengthy. See, I have written step by step. Even if it is asked, okay, don't worry, you will require so much of time. ओके इतना टाइम नहीं लगने वाला है, मैंने एक एक स्टेप लिखी है, एक एक स्टेप लिख के बताया है, इसके लिए ये लेंदी प्रॉब्लम लग रहा है, अदरवाइज इतना लेंदी है नहीं, राइट? सो होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड हाउ टू गेट सॉल्यूशन इफ equation is what, homogeneous. Okay, so quite important. Okay, so please remember how to solve homogeneous equation, right? Thank you.